Today I'm going to show you how to make some fresh seasoned breadcrumbs.
For this recipe, you'll need some fresh plain breadcrumbs, some flat leaf Italian parsley chopped, some chopped fresh garlic, some dry white wine, extra virgin olive oil, and some salt to taste. First you want to add your flat leaf parsley and your chopped garlic and mix it up a little bit. Add a little of the extra virgin olive oil just to wet the breadcrumbs and mix again. And then finally you want to add your white wine and just add a little bit at a time. You do not want them to be too wet. You want it to be just moist enough to crisp up. These breadcrumbs are a perfect topping to finish off some baked clams, some grilled shrimp, or a piece of cooked fish. Buon appetito!